Hello friends, today we will discuss about the properties of determinant. By using the properties of determinant, we can easily find the value of any determinant by using the properties of determinant. According to the property number 1, the value of the determinant remains unchanged. किसी भी डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा इफ़ its rows and columns are interchanged to each other. Now we are going to verify the property number 1 with help of example. Let a determinant delta is equal to 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. If we will expand the given matrix along the first row, we can find the value of the given determinant. After expanding the given determinant along the first row, we will find the value of the given determinant is equal to minus 28. Now we are going to change the rows and columns. Rows are changed by the column and columns are changed by the rows. In the given determinant, the first row is 2 minus 3 5. Here we are going to interchanging the rows and columns. The first row will change by the first row will change by the first column. The first column is what? The first column is 2 6 1, and here the first column, now the first column is here 2 6 1. The first column is interchanged by the first row and the first row is interchanged by the first column. Similarly, we can change the another rows and columns. After expand this determinant along the first row, we will find the value of this determinant. Here you observe that the value of the given determinant, it means the original determinant, is minus 28, and after interchanging the rows and columns, the value of this determinant is also minus 28. This is the verification of the property number 1. According to the property number 1 is what? The value of the determinant remains unchanged if the rows and columns are interchanged to each other. Here the rows and columns are changed. The value of the determinants are unchanged. It means delta is equal to minus delta 1. This is the property number 1. Now we are going to discuss the second property. According to the second property, if any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. अगर हम लोग if any two rows or columns are interchanged, अगर rows और columns two rows को आपस में interchange करें, if we will interchange the second row by the third row, or first row are interchanged by the second row, or first row interchanged by the third row, the value of the determinant is negative of the given determinant. Let a determinant delta is equal to 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. In the earlier example, we have already find out the value of this determinant is minus 28. Here we are going to interchange the second row by the third row. After interchanging the rows, the new determinant is now is here. Here the second row is interchanged by the third row, and third row is replaced by the second row. After interchanging the rows, the value of this determinant is 28. Here the value of the previous one, delta, is equal to minus delta 1. Okay, the value of delta 1 is 28 and the value of the delta is minus 20. So these two values are equal. This is the negative of the given determinant. Now we are going to move the next property. According to the third property, if any two rows or columns of determinant are identical, अगर किसी determinant का two rows or columns are identical, are equal, all the corresponding elements are same, then value of the determinant is 0. ऐसे केस में when the two rows or two columns are equal, then the value of the given determinant will be 0. Now we are taking the another example. 1 3 5 1 3 5 2 1 1 3 9. Here the value of the first row and the value of the second row are same, so the value of this determinant will be 0. This is the property number 3. Now the property number 4, if each element of a row or columns of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value get multiplied by k. Now we are going to verify the property number 4. Let the example, a determinant delta is equal to 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. In the other example, we have already found out the value of this determinant. The value of this determinant is minus 28. If we will multiply any row or any columns by any constant number, here we are going to multiply the first row by 3. First row by 3, then the value of the given determinant will also multiply by 3. Here we are going to multiply R1 first row by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3 is also multiplied by 3, and the last element of the first row is 5. 5 is also multiplied by 3. Now the value of this determinant is just 3 times of the given determinant. The value of the given determinant is minus 28. So after multiply the first row by 3, the value of the determinant is now 3 times the value of the given determinant. The value of the given determinant is minus 28. So the value of the new determinant will be minus 84.